Okay guys, so we are at Target and we have a smoke alarm selection. As we can see, we have a first alert smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. Got some alarms right there, DC manual alarm. Not DC manual. And something weird that you never see is a gray fire extinguisher made by First Alert. The only selection that they have is First Alert. Online they have Kidde, but right now they only have First Alert. As you can see, we got a not policing manual alarm, but it's smoking carbon monoxide with a voice alert. So yeah, I wish I could get one of these, but very expensive. $52. Yeah. So yeah.